बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अभी हम करेंगे विल बी स्टार्टिंग चैप्टर नंबर 3 फ्रैक्शंस इज ऑन पेज नंबर 33. टॉपिक इज डिवाइडिंग अ फ्रैक्शन बाय अ होल नंबर. व्हाट इज फ्रैक्शन? फ्रैक्शन मीन अ पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग, अ पार्ट. ठीक है, इसको डिवीजन भी कहते हैं. इट कैन बी टर्म्ड एज अ डिवीजन. नंबर 1, find the value of 1 over 2. This is 1 divided by 2. 1 over 2 is 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 3. Okay, when we solve this, these upper numbers, these are called numerators and these are called denominators. So we need to multiply numerator with numerator. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 and denominator multiplied by denominator. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So answer for this is 1 over 6. Then we will be going for second one. 1 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 10. Here in multiplication, where we have fractions, we can also simplify the numerators with the denominators. Any numerator with the denominator, any numerator with the denominator, any numerator with the denominator. Okay, so we need to simplify by dividing with the same table. If we divide it with 3, okay, 3 divided by 3 we get 1. 9 divided by 3 we get 3. Okay, so now this is simplified. 1 will be multiplied by 3, 3, and 1 will be multiplied by 10, 10. 3 over 10 is the answer for number 2. So gradually we will be moving forward. We are on page number 34. So now we have the next one, page number 35. Divide 1 over 2 of a pizza equally between two girls. Okay, between two girls. So we need to divide 1 over 2 between two girls. So how we do is that 1 over 2 divided by 2. Okay, 2 means 2, we can say 2 over 1. This is the same thing. Okay, we can say 2 over 1. Okay, so in fractions, when there is a symbol of division, we cannot straight away solve it. Okay, so we need to add one more step to solve it. First we need to convert this symbol into multiplication. This side, left side, will remain the same. It will be converted into multiplication. Okay, and this will be upside down. Okay, this denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. Okay, so then this will be multiplied by this 1. 2 into 2, 4. 1 over 4 is the answer for question number 1 on page number 35. Then we will be going for the second point, second question on page number 35. Bina, Miling and Ahmad share 1 over 2 of a pizza equally. What fraction of the pizza does each child receive? So there are 3 children, Bina, then Miling and also Ahmad. We need to give them pizza and they share 1 over 2 of a pizza equally. There is half pizza, 1 over 2. We need to divide this in these 3 persons. Okay, so what we will do is that we will divide 1 over 2 in 3 people. 1, 2, 3. We know that 3 is equal to 3 over 1. Okay, so we can do it like this. Okay, now in order to solve this, first we need to convert this symbol into multiplication. This will remain the same. It will be multiplied. It will be upside down. 1 over 3. Then 1 will be multiplied with the 1. Answer is 1. 2 multiplied by 3 is answer the 6. 1 over 6 is the answer for this question. They will be getting 1 over 6, 1 over 6 and 1 over 6. Okay, so now we need to move forward to the next question, which is on page number 36. Okay, find the value of each of the following. Okay, there is part number A. This is question number 3. We need to find 1 over 3 divided by 3. Now we'll be quick. 3 below 3, we can write it like this. Then 1 over 3 will be same. It will be multiplied, and this is upside down. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 3 is 9. This is the answer for part A. Part B says 1 over 2 divided by 5. We can write 5 as 5 over 1. We'll do like this. 1 over 2 into 1 over 5 upside down. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 5 is 10. 1 over 10 is the answer for part number B. Okay, now we'll be also solving the part number C and part number D. Point number C says 1 over 4 divided by 3. So what we'll do is we can say 3 over 1. Okay, 1 over 4, then multiply by, this will be upside down. 1 into 1 is 1 and 3 into 4 is 12. 1 over 12 is the answer for this part. Then 1 over 5 divided by 2. You know we can write 2 over 1, no issues. 1 over 5, it will be multiplied, it will be upside down, 1 over 2. Then we multiply 1 with the 1, 5 with the 2, 10. 1 over 10 is the answer for part D. So now we have solved all 4 A, B, C, D parts for question number 3. Now we will be moving for question number 4. Question number 4 is Nora and Weiming share 2 over 3 of a chocolate bar equally. What fraction of the chocolate bar did each child receive? Okay. Nora and Weiming shared 2 over 3 of a chocolate bar equally. What fraction of the chocolate bar did each child receive? Okay. So chocolate bar, they have chocolate bar which is 2 over 3. This is the chocolate they have, 2 over 3. So they need to share with them this 2 over 3. Nora and Weiming. Nora, Weiming. How many persons? 1 and 1, 2 persons. Okay, we need to divide this among 2 persons. So we will do 2 over 3 chocolate divided in 2 persons. We will write it like this. Then we can write it like this. Okay, 2 over 3 will remain the same. Multiply. This will be multiplied and this will be upside down. 1 over 2. 2 will be cut with the 2 because if we divide 2 with 2 and this also 2 with 2, we get 1 and 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 3 into 1 is 3. So 1 over 3 is the answer. So each of the child received 1 over 3 of the chocolate bar. Now we will be moving to the page number 37. We are slightly fast because all the questions are of same type. Number 5 says, page number 37, find the value of 9 over 10 divided by 3. Now we know that we can write it like this. Then we know that we will do like this, multiply upside down. Okay, this 9 and 3, if we divide it with 3, we divide it with 3, same table, we get 3 3s are 9, 3 over 10 into 1 over 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, then 3 will be multiplied with 1, 3, 10 to 1, 10. 3 over 10 is the answer for question number 5. Now we will be moving to question number 6. Question number 6 says, find the value of 3 over 4 divided by 2. This is also of the same type. We will do like this quickly. 1 over 2, then 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 2 is 8, 3 over 8 is the answer for question number 6. It is of the same type, so we are slightly quick. Number 7 has several parts. We will do some parts. We will do part number B, which says 11 divided by 12 divided by 11. So we can write it like this. So it will be remain same and it will be multiplied. It will be upside down. 1 over 11. 11 will cut off with 1. 11. 1 into 1 is 1. 12 into 1 is 12. 1 over 12 is the answer for this part. Okay. Then we will be doing part E. Part E says 4 over 5 divided by 8. 8 means 8 over 1. Then we will do this into multiplication. This upside down. We will divide this by 4. This by 4. We get 4 divided by 4 1 over 5 into 1 over 8 divided by 4 is 2. 1 into 1 is 1, 5 into 2 is 10. 1 over 10 is the answer for this part. Then we are doing the last part of this 7. F 3 over 4 divided by 9. We can write it like this. So what we are doing is multiply 1 over 9. Divide this with 3, divide this with 3. This is simplification. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 1 over 4 into 1 over 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we get 1 to 1 over 4 into 3, 12. 1 over 12 is the answer for this part. Okay. So we have done 7th question, page number 37. Some other parts you need to do. If we see number 38, here you have some questions. So first question you can do. These are very easy. Second question we will try to do quickly. A chef divides 4 over 5 kg of flour. This is flour. How much? 4 over 5. You need to divide it in 8 bags. Okay, so it will be divided in 8 bags. What will be the answer for each bag? We can do like this. Then 4 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 8 reverse. Okay, divide this by 4, divide this by 4. We get 1 over 5 into 1 over 2. Then 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 5 to 2 is 10. 1 over 10 is the answer for this number 2 on page number 38. Page number 38. Question number 3 says, Zinni has a ribbon that is 3 over 10 meter long. So ribbon is how much? 3 over 10 meters long. She cuts the ribbon in 2 equal parts. So we need to cut in 2 equal parts divided by 2. We can write it like this. So we need to say that it will be converted into multiplication. It will be 1 over 2 upside down. Then 3 into 1 is 3. 10 into 2 is 20. 3 over 20 is the length of each part. So this is the answer for this. So far we have done lesson number 1. So lesson number 2 onwards we'll be covering in other videos, inshallah.